Keeping in line with the National Book Week theme for this year, Read, Grow, Inspire, the Buk Bilong Pikinini, this week is launching a few of its books in the When I Grow Up series. The book launch today was done at the National Museum of Art and Gallery, where 50 students did an archaeology dig and museum tour in the morning, and a second book launch tour was done at Theodist. The two books that were launched were When I Grow Up, I Want to Be an Archaeologist, and When I Grow Up, I Want to Be a Graphic Designer. And Sophie Hammond, founder and chairperson of Buk Bilong Pikinini, said the book launching is part of their 19-book series.
For Buk Bilong Pikinini, to celebrate Book Week, we have a very strong focus on When I Grow Up. That's our book series that helps children think about their future. And how are they going to think about their future if they don't quite know what types of jobs are out there in Papua New Guinea? So we've created this series where we're very fortunate to work with our donor partners and give the children the opportunity to be with a role model for a day and learn what it takes to become, this particular profession.
Hammond said the books were written for children to give an insight of the type of jobs that they would want to pursue when they grow up. Ryan Pinney, the corporate development manager of Theodist, said Theodist is happy to support the Buk Bilong Pikinini in their book launch. Theodist also presented a check worth of 50,000 kina to the BBP organization in their efforts to provide literacy programs to children.
Growing up and having a good early education is really important, so we're proud to be associated and happy to see the kids happy here today with their printing. It's pretty unique to have something printed and designed by themselves, so hope you all.
Hammond said there are 6 more books that are going to be launched and released in the coming years. The books in the When I Grow Up series can be purchased at Theodist and other participating outlets. Tamara Pia Agavi, National EMTV News.